guys, welcome to my channel, Hamza's Fun Time. Before we get started, I want all of you to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and most important, hit the bell icon not to miss any new videos. Because if you miss out on any videos, you won't know the rest of my episode. By the way, this is my first video, so please give this lots of likes. Not enough subscribers, but now you're not hitting the bell button. You're not hitting the like and start it. So as you can see, we have all of these things to unbox. So first I want to start with the cars. If you want to know where I buy all of this, I buy it from Game City Gaborone, and that's located in Botswana. Okay, let's start it with this card. It's the color green and white. As you can see, it's a convertible, has star rims, and it's a convertible, as you can see. Okay, 1 minute. And now we have this. Yes, this is a shark card. As you can see, has something which looks like a squid. Has all types of color. This is blue. Here is silver. Here is black. That's all. Yes. So this is a nice review. And now time for this high-tech looking. As you can see, it's dark blue, white paint, and of course, like a normal car, red backlight and white lights to show you going reverse. Okay, so we're done. And now this one. As you can see, green windows. That's weird. As you can see, anyways, black wheels, a little gray, and there's also gray back here, and yellow stripes. Let's review the superheroes. Superman. He has black hair, he has white. Yes, Superman, and then Spider-Man, and here is Batman. And now this is an army officer. Now this big Hummer is a notch back here. Yes, so this is a tractor. As you can see, white roof, orange lights, and it's green. And farmers use them to plant crops. So we're done with this. Time with a dinosaur. As you can see, it is red, yellow, and black. And as you can see, they used to live on our planet, but they don't do it anymore. Now last thing, our whiteboard. If you want to see me open this, subscribe, like, and hit the bell button, because I know some of you may have not hit them. Waiting. Good. We'll do this later. First, skipping rope. As you can see, it has a shaped wood color, red and white. Then we have these lights. One is for my bed, under my bed, and another is for my TV table. Let's not review them. As I promised, we're gonna open this. I don't even know where to start it. So we'll open this in next episode. If you liked this, please share with your family, friends, and don't forget that we're going to review this in a future episode. Thank you. Bye bye.